Walk the slack out of a TRX as demonstrated. Stand up tall with your feet about hip width apart and arms straight out at your side. Squeeze your glutes tight, draw your belly button in towards your spine, and pull your chin straight back as if you're giving yourself a double chin. Your weight will be forward on your toes. Perform a crossover step as demonstrated, and bend your body away from your hip in the back. Look up towards your top hand, and you should feel your stretch throughout your midline. Hold at the end range of motion or where your body feels tight for a second or two. Then return to the starting position and repeat on the other side of the body.